Always, we gather positive energy. Always, we communicate extensive happiness. Always, we make our dream come true. Create a relaxing life for occupants. China Lianzu. With the rapid development of national economic construction, people have put forward higher demand for their living environment. Having created a relaxed life for occupants as our commitment, China Lianzu provides tremendous cost-effective products and services for our customers. China Lianzu Group Holdings Limited, Hong Kong, is a large leading industrial group of home building materials in China and was listed on the main board of the Stock Exchange of Hong Kong in June 2010. Stock name, China Lianzu, stock code 2128. The sales revenue had broken through 10 billion RMB in 2011. Now China Lianzu possesses 28 holding subsidiaries. The company has 25 production facilities in mainland China and in Canada of North America. Some of them are under construction. These production bases include Guangdong Xuanda Production Base, Guangdong Heshan Production Base, Guangdong Heshan Lesso Kitchen Production Base, Guangdong Zhongshan Production Base, Guangdong Nanhai Production Base, Hubei Wuhan Production Base, Henan Zhoukou Production Base, Jiangsu Nanjing Production Base, Guizhou Guiyang Production Base, Sichuan Diang Production Base, Hebei Renqiao Production Base, Jilin Chongquan Production Base, Jilin Chongquan Daco Doors and Windows Profile Production Base, Heilongjiang Daqing Production Base, Shanxi Xi'an Production Base, Xinjiang Urumqi Production Base, Ontario Toronto Production Base in Canada. The production bases under construction or to be constructed are Hainan Ding'an Production Base, Guangdong Maoming Production Base, Yunnan Yushi Production Base, Hunan Changsha Production Base, Shandong Linyi Production Base, and Sichuan Chengdu Production Base, and others. Technology innovation is the main driving force of the enterprise. China Lianzu devotes itself into R&D and always keeps pace with the global trend of continuous innovation and development, thus improving our self-innovation and development abilities. Currently, China Lianzu owns an outstanding research and development team in China, which is composed of a number of masters, doctors, and senior engineers, a postdoctoral research station, and a laboratory certified by CNAS. And China Lianzu holds or has applied for nearly 1,000 patents. China Lianzu has undertaken many national and provincial research projects, and its research outcomes have been awarded as National Torch Plan Project, National Key New Product, or Promotion Project of New Technology in National Building Industry. China Lianzu has been awarded such honorable titles as High-Tech Enterprise, Demonstrational Construction Base, a Plastic Piping High-Tech Industrialization of Ministry of Urban and Rural Development, and the like. China Lianzu has been awarded Quality Award of Guangdong Provincial Government. China Lianzu is always following a criterion that we provide the most complete, most reliable, and most satisfactory service for our customers, and we can provide such professional service in a prompt and effective way. In mainland China, China Lianzu has built up more than 60 business organizations and owns over 1,000 excellent distributors of first grade. While in the global context, China Lianzu establishes corresponding business agents in more than 30 countries or regions and direct subsidiaries in North America, thus forming a service and sales network which covers mainland China and expands the global market. China Lianzu always clings to the operation policy, namely quality as its life, technology as its engine, and customer satisfaction as its aim, and gradually became a famous brand in home building material industry. In 2005, China Lianzu was recognized as China well-known brand. In 2009, China Lianzu was selected as the most competitive product brand and won the certificate of registered supplier for United Nations. In line with the development pace of the times, China Lianzu has agilely made a strategic transformation from a sole pipe products manufacturer to an outstanding group in home building material industry, providing a complete set of products and service for customers. Group's products and services cover plumbing products, integrative kitchen, sanitary wares, doors and windows profile, firefighting products, valve products, decoration panels, and sanitary materials, etc. Plumbing products. In pipe sector, China Lianzu enjoys over 25 years of experience in manufacturing and researching, and is one of the enterprises that have the longest history of manufacturing and researching pipe products. Now China Lianzu owns more than 2,000 sets of production lines and equipments for pipe and fittings, which annual capacity is beyond 1 million tons. China Lianzu provides more than 70 series of products and about 7,000 kinds of products to the market, which are widely used in municipal water supply and drainage, gas supply, power industry, civil building, home decoration, garden watering system, and agricultural irrigation system, and so on. China Lianzu is one of the suppliers that can provide the fullest series of products in domestic piping system industry. In the construction of some pavilions for Beijing Olympic Games, Guangzhou Asian Games, and Shanghai World Expo, China Lianzu was specified as a qualified product supplier. For pipe and fittings manufacturing, China Lianzu has set up a service system which incorporates raw material selection, product design, sample production, product delivery, installation instruction, and after-sales service into one body. China Lianzu has established a comprehensive cooperation with the leading built-in equipment integrative service provider in Asia, namely EPCO from Japan, and built a built-in equipment integrative service business model for the first time in China, dedicating itself to the standardized development of home equipment in China, which established the leadership in the piping industry. Along with many years of development in the market, the products of China Lianzu have drawn consumers considerable attention and recognition. China Lianzu has provided products and services for more than 300 water engineering companies and over 100 power companies, or communication companies or gas companies. Integrative Kitchen. Integrative Kitchen project is a key project which represents that China Lianzu marches on the field of pan-home products. Depending on the 25 years of experiences of home building material area of Lianzu Group in 2011, China Lianzu forged a strategic alliance with one of the biggest home appliance manufacturers in the world, namely Whirlpool Company from USA, and incorporating high-quality kitchen electronics into Lesso Integrative Kitchen project to make a leading integrative kitchen brand in China. In terms of talents, Lesso Integrative Kitchen project has recruited a team of professional talents who specialize in kitchen cabinet and kitchen electronics, thus forming a high-quality professional team which incorporates product design, research and development, production, management, and sales into one unit. In terms of production techniques for product, the internationally advanced precision production equipment from German Heroic and production techniques, accompanied by the most advanced hardware accessories in the world, are employed in Lesso Integrative Kitchen project, thus ensuring that every product presents perfect quality. In terms of material for product, Lesso Integrative Kitchen can provide panel with both decorative sides, UV panel, PVC suction plastic, baking varnish, carbon light, nano germ-proof board, solid wood, stainless steel, and so on. All boards used comply with EU E0 environmental standards. Lesso Integrative Kitchen conforms to the Love Ecological State and Love Freedom Life concept, rendering a simple, environmental, and natural integrative kitchen style. We realize a perfect blending of kitchen space and living space by carrying out an in-depth analysis of the relations between kitchen space and people and refining every detail thereof. Sanitary wares. As one of the group's important projects from research on water usage technology expanded to daily life, we aim at comfortable feeling of water usage, induced by high quality and high tech. Lesso Sanitary Wares adopt presenting high-quality water living as a design idea, selecting exquisite materials, and employing fine techniques. They are of high quality and high grade, featuring cost-effective, which are series of fine products for first-line brand sanitary wares market. Currently, Lesso Sanitary Wares cover the sector of bathroom metals, sanitary products, and sanitary furniture. The detailed products include top-grade faucet, shower sink, flushing valve, bathroom metalware, vanity top and lavatory sink, bathtub, pedestal pan, squatting pan, urinal, shower enclosure and steam room, bathroom vanities, and so on. Quality and style of the bathroom products, less so sanitary ware. Both are taking the lead in this industry, and such products have won high recognition from many domestic well-decorated estates and terminal retail market. Doors and windows profile. Windows and doors profile are the key project of China Lianzu. We supply plastic profile, plastic steel windows and doors, and aluminum alloy windows and doors, such as Skyreach, EITI profile, and Lesso windows and doors. The products include sliding doors, sliding windows, casement doors, casement windows, swinging windows. China Lianzu possesses its own installation company, which can provide an integrative door and window solution for the market, from profile to integrative door and window. Currently, China Lianzu owns 3 profile factories and door window assembling production bases, respectively in Guangdong, Heshan, Jilin, Chongquan, and Canada in North America, which can supply considerate service from China to the globe. Decoration panels. China Lianzu decorative panel covers calcium silicate board, fiber concrete-based material, punching soundproofing board, fire explosion roofing board, compound board, wall decoration board, external wall insulation board, artistry ceiling board, and other further processing products, which can be applied in internal ceiling, partition, and external building decoration, showing a broad marketing prospect. Firefighting products, valve products. Firefighting products are one of the important products in the product system of China Lianzu. Currently, China Lianzu can provide a series of firefighting products, such as firefighting pipe, firefighting box, and so on. After several years of development, the firefighting products of China Lianzu have won high recognition from the market and been widely applied in firefighting area, such as public facilities, civil buildings, etc. Valve products are important accessories for pipe system, and China Lianzu owns independent factory and research team for valve products, and can provide brass valves and cast iron valves with their diameters ranging from 15 millimeters to 600 millimeters. The valves of China Lianzu are widely applied in the pipeline system for public facilities and civil buildings. After many years of hard work and commitment, China Lianzu has become a leading large-scale group in home building material industry in China. In the future, we will approach the fields of integrative wardrobe, fireproofing door, insulation material, and decoration accessories to further refine our product system and provide more cost-effective products and services for our customers. China Lianzu has always emphasized the construction of enterprise culture and communicated its value concept and business philosophy to every employee, thus forging a highly loyal and concentrative staff which provides abundant energy for our development. Create a relaxed life for occupants means a crystallization of all China Lianzu staff's dream and expectation. Revitalize the national industries and build a world-class enterprise highlights China Lianzu's firm pursuit. China Lianzu, as an enterprise that represents wisdom and vitality and embraces passion and dream, is boldly heading for a higher, bigger, and further target.